Here's a tip. When you're creating a surface, you can create that surface using all types of different data. In this example, we're going to use polylines, blocks, and feature lines to create a surface. I'm going to go turn on the feature line that I've placed on the proposed surface data. And over here, I'm going to go to Surfaces, right-click, Surface, Name, PG, Style, CVLX PG, and then let's add some data. PG definition, let's start with the blocks. And I need to get rid of this, so let's turn that on, turn that off, and then turn this off. Okay. Drawing objects, add blocks. Select right click. We'll use the ZX command and isolate contour layers. Let's put this surface on the proposed surface layer. 10 proposed surface. And we'll select those contours. Contour data, add. Okay. And then let's turn those layers back on. The surface and the data. And now let's add this limits of disturbance data. And that's a feature line, so which is the same thing as a break line, so I'm going to add right there. And you can see that get updated, and then you can see how this kind of encroaches out past the property line. So I'm going to use this other polyline that I've created and add that as a boundary. Outer boundary. And that's it. So now we have a new surface that uses blocks as drawing objects, polylines, and a feature line that's made from basically our limits of disturbance. And that's it.